Hello guys, I'm Azhar from Azhar Electronics, and this video is the starting video for a new course, that is Python from basics to advanced level. So in this course you will learn Python from basics to advanced. First I will show you how to install the code editor. So in this course I will use the code editor Pycharm. So I will show you how to install Pycharm. So go to google.com and type here Pycharm. So here, as you can see, this is the jetbrand.com website. So I'll open this. So here we have the download button, so click on this, and here we have two versions. One is a professional and the other is a community. So the community version is free and open source, and while the professional version is paid. And above this we have three operating systems: Windows, Mac and Linux. So I'm using Windows, so I have selected Windows here. If you're using Mac, so you can download for Mac and Linux also. So I will click on this download, and as I have already downloaded it, so I will cancel this. Now I will download Python. So search here Python download. So go open this website, and here click on download Python. So as I have already downloaded it, so I will cancel this. Now let's install our Pycharm. So click next, and this is the destination folder. You can change. These are some installation options. You can change according to your needs. I will create a shortcut on desktop and install. So click on run Pycharm to run this and finish. So here this, I have previously installed it, so I will click on do not import settings, and here these are two themes, dark and the light. I will select the light, and these are the plugins. So here we have three options: create new project, open and get from version control. So I will click on create new project, and I will name it for example Python course. But as you can see here, interpreter field is empty and we cannot create project. So for this we will install our Python 3.8.1, and here as you can see the path where this Python will be installed. So copy this path or note it down so that we can enter it later on here and this Pycharm. So let's install this. So it is now installed. I will close this, and I will click on this project interpreter, and here click on existing interpreter, click on this, again click on this. So here we will enter the path which I have told you to copy or note down. So here is Python, and here Python 3832. Click on this python.exe and click OK. Click again OK. As you can see, our interpreter now is selected. So click on create. These are tabs, close it, and here this is our code editor. So this is only our project folder. We do not have any project file inside it. So I will create a project file. Right click on this and click on new file. For example, I will name it first file, as I'll name it first file 1 for example, and here it requires the type of file, so it is Python file. Click OK. So our first file is created here. These two are old files, but this is our first file. So for example, I will run a line of code. So to run this, we will have to go to this run and click on run. So here I will click on first file, and as you can see, first file is selected here. We can run it again from here by clicking this button. And if I make another file, for example second file, and its type is a Python file, and for example I am printing second file here. So we cannot run this second file from here. As you can see, it is not selected here. So again we'll repeat the same process. We'll go to run, click on this run, and from here we'll select this second file. So as you can see now, it is appeared here and we can run from here again. So this was the way to create files in Python, and you can change the settings from here. Settings, you can change the theme, change it to dark, as you can see, and you can change the font size from here. For example, it's 13, and if I will change it to 20. Apply. Okay, as you can see, there's no bigger, and you can change a lot of settings from here. So that was about this. I hope that you will have liked this video, and if you want to learn Python, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you.